Hi guys, welcome back on Life Untouched. If you have not subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any important updates. So let's begin. Most of the players are facing the issue that their battle.net Blizzard software can't locate their games. Especially I had also the issue in my Call of Duty Warzone. I also had this issue that I can't locate my Call of Duty Warzone and it's very painful to download that all 90 GB again. So what I did will also fix your game. So let's follow me in this short video and fix your game without reinstalling it.